Welcome to another teardown video. So today we have microwear Edson smartwatch, and this is a pretty feature-rich smartwatch. It's a 4G enabled smartwatch, and it's IP68 water resistant and with Wi-Fi and GPS navigation, and it runs on MediaTek 6737 chipset and fun OS, which is not fun to use, not at all, and it runs on Android 6 based fun OS, and it has got 8 GB of internal storage and 1 GB of RAM, which is not enough. It's pretty slow, maybe because of the MediaTek processor, and it has got 1.5-inch screen with 340 by 340 resolution and 600 mAh battery, and the straps are non-removable, and I already performed a little surgery and I removed these straps. And here I have two antennas, one is GPS LTE and one is GSM antenna, so it was embedded inside this strap, so I had to remove it. And so I was using this as my small smartphone, and now it's dead, so I thought I'll perform the surgery of this one. So it has got two switches here, two buttons, and you can see the mic here, the heart rate sensor, the SIM tray is here, the camera, 5 megapixel camera, which is not at all good, seems like a VGA camera, the pictures taken, and here is the speaker. So this is the screen and the home button here, and the build is solid, it's built like a tank. I really like the build of this one. It's heavy too, more than 60 grams, and nothing to complain about the build, but inside the software sucks. It's not at all good. It's just like a smartphone which runs on Android 6 and nothing useful at all. The battery life sucks, worst battery life you can expect. The battery drains very fast and it heats up, so I had pretty bad experience with this one using. Still I was using this. I used to play some small games in this one, and I used to watch YouTube videos. Yeah, it was kind of fun, but not something which makes you addicted to this one, just pretty basic stuffs. So today we'll perform the surgery. Here you can see the charging points is broken, so I'm not able to charge this anymore, so eventually it died. And this is the magnetic pin, charging pin. It's not at all strong, see. So let's start the surgery. Okay, let's remove the screws one by one. There are 4 screws which hold the frame. Very difficult to remove the screw, so I have to apply some blunt force and remove the SIM tray anyway. So you can see inside this is where you insert the SIM, and it supports 4G, and I made some insertions. The screws are too tight, not able to remove. to find another way. Alright, so I may have to break the back case. You can see how it's attached to the heart rate sensor. Okay, let's break this. The ribbon cable was attached here to this point, so it's broke off. Okay, it's broken. So let's see. So here is the connection of heart rate sensor, the glass covering, the heart rate sensor here, and the ribbon cable which was attached here. So it broke off. So you can see the 600 mAh battery came off easily. Okay, so here you can see the vibration motor. Vibration motor is situated here, and the camera module is here. This is the baby screwdriver which I received with the smartwatch to remove the SIM tray. So let's start with the camera module. Okay, here is the rubber piece. Let's remove this sticker. So these are the buttons, came off easily. So for charging points, another ribbon cable is attached to this one. I don't see any more screws inside holding this one, so let's just remove this one. Okay, the battery has been removed. It had a pathetic battery life, so no use talking about the battery. Okay, so this is charging point, 5 volt, and 5 volt. Some kind of panel here. Let's peel off the sticker. What is this? Heat conduction or something? I don't think so. Another ribbon cable which is removed. This must be the SIM tray. You can see this was the SIM tray. There's no external memory card support. It had internal memory of 8 GB. That's it. Another thick film. Okay, just remove this one. Kind of paste here. It's coming off easily. I expected some more resistance from this one, but it's too easy. It's coming off easily. The whole circuit board here. Yes, so you can see the camera, 5 megapixel camera here, and the whole circuit is here. Kind of LED panel here. It broke off. Pretty old LCD technology. Yeah, here's the glass. It's quite reflective. It's not safe to break this. I may cut my finger, so I'm not going to do that. So the vibration monitor is situated here. Let's take it out. The vibration motor. It's the bottom. Okay, so this is where the SIM goes. It's really sophisticated. They could have made it better only if they provided a better software experience, but they didn't. The Fun OS was no fun to use, so I was disappointed with the software experience. Hardware was good except for the battery, and the touch sensitivity was not that good. It was below par. Otherwise, it was okay. This is microwear. It's 7 smartwatch. Was promising, but I was really disappointed with this one. The battery, the motherboard, the camera. The camera was for namesake. I'll find a way to use this somewhere. MediaTek processor was not at all good. It was very slow. So this is pretty much the two antennas which was embedded in the straps. Screen is tough. They also provide a screen protector, a tempered glass type thing. Still holding up. You can see MediaTek processor. Charging points, remote cable, 5 volts. So that's it guys, surgery is over, and this is the inside of microwear. It's a smartwatch, so nothing more to show you. Thanks for watching.